Hello everyone. So we are already done with the meaning of interface and meaning of formal interface. Now coming to the next type, that is informal interface. So basically informal interface is also a class only. Okay, but here you can overridden is possible, but without any force enforcement. That's why you all can see we have used all the inbuilt methods. Okay, this is nothing but the constructor, and this is nothing but for the length. This is nothing but for the contents, and it has one statement inside of that with one parameters, and that is items. Okay, our class name is chocolate. Okay, so this is what object is created of, that is favorite underscore chocolate, using this chocolate, and we have a list in the parameter. So this full list will get copied into items because it will call constructor automatically, and this length function will automatically call this inbuilt length method, and it will come here, it will give you the length of this, and this contains is for in and not in. So whenever in your program, if you have in and not in, it will automatically jump to contains. Okay, these are inbuilt methods. So control S and let's check the output of this. See, 4 true, false, true, true. That is what we are getting. This is kitkat is there or not? Yes. Munch is there or munch is not that, but it is there. Dirymilk or some spelling mistake it is, then 5 star and all that things. Okay, so that is all about in informal interface. Okay, where we are using this inbuilt methods, and also it can be overridden but without any enforcement. Thank you everyone.